Hello and welcome to Diabetes 180 with Lewis Bertus, your physician assistant and diabetes reversal health coach. Today we're talking about how to get rid of belly fat and improve your diabetes health. So let's start off with the question, how many of you guys want to get rid of belly fat? 2 hands up, right? So how many of you know that belly fat that you want to get rid of for so long is also tied to diabetes? Whether you have diabetes or don't have diabetes, that belly fat or visceral fat is actually linked to type 2 diabetes very closely, because the fat inside your organs and around your organs within the abdominal cavity, known as central adiposity, actually causes your body to be resistant to insulin. This resistance to insulin in turn causes sugar to be trapped in your blood. Bypass surgery effectively reverses diabetes in days, if not weeks. Here's another fun fact, or not so fun fact, about belly fat. Did you know that your waist to height ratio, as it increases, your life expectancy decreases? Not so great news if you are wider than you are tall, right? No judgment, okay? I'm here to help you, as my wife and many of my patients with diabetes have been able to reverse their diabetes and get rid of that belly fat with these steps. Let's go. Step 1. Step 1 is a must. Get rid of sugar, especially processed sugar. Okay, the obvious sources of sugar like soda, sweetened, sugar sweetened beverages, those are obvious. I'm sure you could all agree that we need to toss those out, okay? But I also want to call attention to the not so obvious sources of processed sugar. Did you know that many health foods that are touted as health foods, are packed with added sugar? Foods like bread, breakfast cereals, yogurts, condiments are packed with sugar that bombard your liver, overwhelming it and causing your liver to turn that extra sugar into fat. Yes, this is what the liver does with processed sugar, because 100% of that processed sugar goes straight to your liver. Your liver then converts it into fat. That fat then causes insulin resistance, and now sugar is trapped in your blood. It starts with eliminating processed sugar from the diet, especially, or I should say, in particularly paying attention to the not so obvious sources of processed sugar. Look at this, for example.
Now, we would all agree that a Twinkie is not a health food, but do you know that when you eat 2 slices of bread, it's as if you ate a Twinkie? Or a little pasta sauce, a little bowl of yogurt, a cup of orange juice. Yeah, just eat the Twinkie.
Now, if you have a sweet tooth or love soda like I used to, you could always replace these sugar cravings with more natural sweeteners. Plant-based sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit will not compromise your diabetes health. And they taste pretty good. Especially one of my favorites is Zevia. This carbonated goodness sweetened with stevia is our household go-to. Okay, but you also have dried fruit, dates, raisins, dried apricots that are also sweet, and of course with time can replace your sugar cravings without compromising your diabetes health, helping you to get you your goals. Okay. There are so many options out there of wholesome, sweet, natural alternatives to sugar. You don't need to compromise your diabetes health and continue living with that stubborn belly fat. So step 1, to get rid of this belly fat, you have to get rid of processed sugar, especially paying attention to the not so obvious sources. All right, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. But more importantly, I want you to not bypass an opportunity. I have a link right in the description section or in the comment section where you can take part in some great low-fat whole food, plant-based vegan recipes, and also get some more information on how to reverse your diabetes with healthy lifestyle choices. So check out that link, hit the subscribe button, and hopefully you enjoyed this video and will be seeing me on the next one. Thanks for watching.